Hey friends, if you encounter the error some settings aren't available in high contrast mode on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, this is just a fact. Many settings are not available in the high contrast mode. That's just a fact. So here's what you can do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side and select contrast themes. Now, the reason it is in accessibility settings is because there are a lot of people who have visibility disorders. So the contrast themes will make more distinct colors for text and apps, which makes it easier to distinguish. But I hate this mode. It really screws up my system. So here's what I do: simply change it to none. Okay, that's it. This is all you can do. And if you really need contrast mode, then you'll have to go with the problems that come along with it. I mean, you can get both the options. You can either use contrast mode and ignore the problems that come with it, or you can do away with the contrast mode. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.